So today we're going to make something really easy, sugar dumplings. So you get some plain, no, self-raising flour and you pour it in. Pour. Yes, come on, a little bit more. And add a little water and a little bit more. A touch of baking soda and then a tablespoon of sugar, 2 of them. And then you mix into a dough-like substance. Yes, put on your gloves, them carcarona they're about still, and you just roll it up. Roll. See it there? Yes. And sometimes you might have to add more water and add more flour. It's alright. You just keep the motion going, and you know, see it there? Nice. Put on a frying pan and add some oil. Now I shallow fry my fried dumplings, so it's not too much oil cause angina. And then you roll up the fried dumpling, you roll it, yes, in a round substance, and you put it in. And a low to medium heat, because you don't want to burn them up. So see there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lovely. Now you make that cook for about 5 minutes, and then you turn them over. You see them two a bit too dark for my liking, so me have to turn the heat down a little bit. Yes, it should be like these ones at the top. Because it's shallow frying, you have to really cook them and make sure the sides them cook. So me have to do this kind of see there, flip. Me have to flip them on the side because it's not too much oil in there. So me flip, see it there, and then you cook more. That one is being silly. Come on, you cook it more now. While that is doing, me I go cook up some beans, because you know we Jamaicans, we cook up everything. So me I go cook up some beans now. So me I cut up 1 red onion, and then me I go add a tin of Heinz beans, little black pepper, and stir. Little touch of butter, because I don't want angina, so just a touch, and then you stir. Right, fried dumpling done now, so you plate them up. Oh, that one not quite done, so me I go leave it. Me I go turn it over and carry on, plate up. Now I like to add cinnamon and sugar to some of them, because my son like that donut type baking, so me do one of them for him. Lovely. Alright, put it down now. See the beans them done now? You only have to put it on for about 5 to 7 minutes and it done. Nice. A luxury beans me call this. Scrape it up because me can't waste the beans, you know. Me can't waste nothing. And then you take the beans and you put it on the fried dumpling, and oh, I saw it go. Yes, Lord. Anybody who knows you dash one fry egg just for top it, you know? Just for complete it. You dash one fry egg on the top and then you give it to the youth. Peace.